Water poisoning is a huge problem in Malaysia.
Isu pencemaran sungai yang dipenuhi dengan sampah
Peternak ikan kelisa atau arowana di Keluang Johor mendakwa kerugian jutaan ringgit akibat pencemaran di hulu Sungai Sayong yang sejai berlaku sejak 4 tahun lalu. Terbaru, ribuan induk ikan hiasan itu mati sejai akibat sumber
They have 300,000 tons of garbage dumped into Malaysia River yearly.
River pollution in Malaysia is a pressing environmental issue that pose significant challenge to the country's water resource ecosystems and public health. Reason why river pollution happen in Malaysia.
Okay, let's go. Are you ready, kid?
Industrial waste. Factories and industry release untreated or poorly treated waste into rivers containing harmful chemicals and pollutants, leading to river pollution.
Dibawa ke beberapa tempat dipercayai punca berlakunya pencemaran Sungai Pelumbut. Dakwah mereka, ia berpunca daripada kilang gitar semula ini yang lokasinya kira-kira 20 meter.
Lack of awareness and enforcement. Limited public awareness about the importance of preserving water resources and the consequences of river pollution contribute to the problem.
So why and why we need to protect our river? This is for our future generation. Today we can still enjoy the beauty, the scenery and also the facilities provided by the river. But if we don't take care of our river, things like this and also things like this will happen to our future generations. Our children, our grandchildren and all future generations have the right to enjoy the beauty of the river as we did. By protecting beautiful rivers, we can still make sure our future generations can still enjoy the beauty and the benefits of the river. So that's all from us. Thank you.